Who's that? Take a picture of him, Dad. I'm gonna take a picture of him.
No, we're not taking a picture. I'm taking a little video. We're got no picture.
But I want a picture.
We'll take a picture a little later.
Why the birds fly away? I think because the squirrel.
Because the squirrels is trying to protect the lot over there. They don't want nobody else to get to the food. See, the squirrels is all around. They in strategic position. They pushed all the birds off. Bro, that like they recording me.
Don't record the squirrel, Dad. Record the bird, not the squirrel.
The squirrel.
Record the bird.
You got him over there on security.